Hello everyone, my name is Victor Xu. I have started and worked about more than a decade. And here is my home in Beijing. Today, I want to show you how to shopping in Beijing and pay by my face. You're right, pay by face. And today, I want to buy a facial form, and you can find how can I pay by it. Okay, let's go. I go to the supermarket, buy share bags, just like the two boys passing by. I will select one of these green share bags. What I need to do is quite simple. Just open this app called DD Shared Bags and scan the barcode. Okay, now it's open. I can use it. Okay, right now I arrived in the supermarket called Walmart, and I just stopped my share bags here. I plan to take it back home later. It seems there are dozens of face forms here. Let me take one, this green one. Okay, here comes the last part of face payment. Here is the electronic receiver. What I need to do is just first scan my goods, and it shows there's one goods need to be checked out. So I press it and said, do I need a bag? I press no. And right now, it asks what your paying method. I select pay by my face. See here. And it scan my face, and I press OK. Finished. I've paid, and I can go now. Okay, I come back. Oh, where is my share bags? It disappeared. Don't worry, it's share bags. Somebody must take it away. See, here's dozens of them. So what I need to do is just pick another one and go home. Okay, talk with you later.